Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to be changing out my LED headlights to the Forenner LED headlights. They are the 9012s. Pop this number up there. Don't know if it's going to do any good or not. I'm replacing my Oxido headlights I purchased, oh goodness, it was toward the end of last year. I've been using them, I think the last video I did was back in like middle of May. And the issue I had was the outer headlight on this side was going out. And I've been doing just fine for the last, I would say, almost 2 months now. In the meantime, I did order these. It would come on and go off, and then just here in the last week, it's been just going off completely. So everything left of the center line is just dark. So I figured tonight might be a good time to do it. And I'm still here at work. We have a loading dock. I figure that's going to come in handy for adjusting these headlights, because now we're getting into retina burner headlights. Previous headlights were 20,000 lumens. This is getting into 30,000 lumens. So I'm thinking I might have to do some adjustments. So without any further ado, let's get this opened up. Sorry for the dirty engine. I have not had time to do the cleaning that I wanted to do. And let's go ahead and get these out. So the LED that's been going out would be this side of it that's been going out. And let me go ahead and get this package open. I don't think I can do it one-handed, so hang on for a second. Okay, so I got the box opened up. Looks like it comes with some gloves. Instruction manual, I'm guessing, in there. And then, of course, the two LED lights. These, once again, are going to be a lot like the Oxido lights. They're going to have the cooling fan built in. Not adjustable. They just fit right on in. So let's just get that put in there. Should fit in there just like the other one. There it does. Goes right in place just like a factory headlight. It's getting pretty dark. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one really quick off camera, and let's see how they look. Okay, so I got them both in. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Definitely bright. They don't look all that much brighter than the other ones did. But you definitely tell that I'm a little bit higher than what, well, I don't know if we even had it on video, a little bit higher up there. I'm just going to pull up a little bit closer, get a ballpark of where they're at, and then back up and see if I need to lower them down any. Okay, so I'm currently pulled up fairly close to it. So I wanted to see where the brightest part of everything is. See I don't know if you could tell the bolt that's down there toward the bottom. That seems to be the even spot where most of the light is intensified. I'm just going to back up, and if I'm going up, because this ramp is pretty level, I'm staying just below it, so technically I don't have to lower it. But I think because since they are a little bit brighter, I think I will just lower it just a hair. As you can see there, it almost stays level, and I would rather have a little bit of a drop. So let me just kind of back up right about there and adjust that a little bit. Okay, so the part that I'm going to use to adjust is going to be right there on the back of the headlight. I'm just going to go clockwise with it, and that's bringing it down just a little bit. I'm just going to bring it down so that the light's going to be kind of toward the bottom corner of this piece of metal there. And then let's do the same thing on this other side. Okay, got it in there. So let's just adjust that one. about there. That's looking pretty even right there. Cool. And I'll check out how everything looks while I'm driving. Okay, one last time, let's go ahead and pull up closer here. So as you can see, everything kind of raises up. The light raises up as I get closer. And then as I back up, it should now fall down. I'm going to be about 30 feet back right there. And as you can see, now I'm down below those pieces of metal. So compared to being up, we're now within about 3 feet of it. It's up about 3-4 inches up the pieces of metal. It falls off as we go back. Yeah, that should keep it out of everybody's eyes. Okay, so I am now on one of the roads heading back to the house here. It's finally nice and dark. As you can see, the brightest part of the headlight kind of falls off, doesn't go way down, so you can see that sign way down there if I do my high beams. But that's kind of what I was hoping for, is that by adjusting those headlights, bring it down just a little bit so it's not blinding a bunch of people. But now I'm kind of near the area that I've done my other videos, and so let me go ahead and take this back road so we can kind of see how everything looks. Come on up here to this stop sign. Okay, so we went out this direction in the past. Now if I do my high beams, you can tell that it really makes things pop pretty good. The reflectors and everything shine really good with these headlights, same as the other LED headlights I've ever used. I'll turn on the high beams here so you can see how everything pops. It automatically dimmed because it's too bright. That's funny. Okay, I go this back way right here. Let's kind of turn on the high beams. You can see how it goes up fairly high up into the trees. Yeah, I really like these lights. And biggest thing is I want to see how long these last. These were the most expensive LEDs I've bought so far. When I purchased them, I want to say they were $55.99. I checked the other day, I think it was yesterday, I looked at it on Amazon.com, and they were going for $69.99 now. But wanting to see if I can get more than 6 months before I run into any kind of issues with it. But we will see. Okay, so I'm currently on vacation in Colorado. The flashing you're seeing is not, I'm not seeing that in real life. But you notice there's brightness on one side, not on the other. Let's see if I turn it off, turn it back on. A little bit ago, I got in here, turned on the car, and the light came on, and you can see both. It was bright on the outside and on the inside. Now it's only on the outside, which means this bulb is already starting to go out. I don't know exactly at the moment how long that has been. I'll put that up on the screen right now. But yeah, this did not last very long at all. I'm pretty sure it's less than 6 months if I remember right. But anyway, this will conclude the review on these headlights. Stay tuned for the next set. Oh, there, it came back on. Look at that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one.